Wishlist, wishlist, wishlist.
Asus! Hi, Malaya!
Hi mga sis and orbs! Si Malaya na said me. Online shopping has been a saving grace for us shopaholics. Kaya imagine, one click lang ha and maabot na mismo sa inyong balayang imong gipang shopping online, diba? Pero of course, kita mga Bisaya pabida gid kay ta sa e-shopping world. Kita na good na, duh. Here are 5 types of online Bisaya shoppers. Number 1, wishlist hoarder. Oh my God, can I send a dress? Uy! Wishlist. Ay, nice pants. Wishlist, 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 wishlist. Daghanan ako wishlist, uy. Pero, kanirang duha akong kaya paliton. Duh. Mag-wish upon a star pa, seized. Number 2, inquire pa more. Hi sir, inquire lang pa about sa inyong Logitech mouse. Bukat ni siya sir.
2 hours later.
PS. Naay purple ani sir. And naay purple sa So, ikidagagpangta na sister. Number 3, online shopaholic.
Ngayo, na si Malaya.
Ako na kuya. Ay, naubot akong dress. Thank you.
Lazada.
Ay, naabot ako phone.
Love, ano?
Oh my God! Manong dako siya than what I've expected.
Sana ma'am.
Sa ganit niya akong i-order. So, order pa more! Number 4, maghuwat o sale. Oh my God, kadugay mo 50% off. Oh my God! Sale na! 50% off na yun! Finally! I'm going to buy this dress. Wait lang. Add to cart. 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 Total. Wait, tapa ko yung code. Duh. Are you atihik person, sizst? Number 5, the researcher. Oh my God. Muni ako gipangita nga eyeshadow palette. Wait, pero ano na i-review nga 3 stars, ang usa 5 stars. Ano ka ha? Wait, kaniguro ta ato tag YouTube.
1 eternity later.
Ah, okay. Sige, go. Ka-decide na gyud ko. I'll buy it. Add to cart. So, ikay siguradista, sis. O diba, kitang mga online shoppers, ganahan kita nga nindot ang atong experience when we shop online and of course, get our money's worth when we buy products. And with Lazada's excellent customer care and wide range of products, you'll always be satisfied with your online shopping experience. O mga sis and orbs, kung nakarelate mo kay kusog sa kayo mo gastos online, diba? Like this video and share this one with your shopaholic friends. And of course, don't forget to like my TV and my fan page, Malaya Macaraeg. Kung nag-gobi mo sa akong kagastador. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Malaya. Bye!